PCD circular saw blades is a special machine for side grinding of all kinds of PCD circular saw blades. Machining demonstration. Input the basic parameters required for saw blade machining. The system will automatically turn the electrode wheel according to the preset parameters to complete the required angle of centripetal angle, and it will automatically calculate the UV and the E axes according to the tooth thickness of the saw blade, the front angle and the side and rear angles, so that the tooth surface in the center of the motor wheel form the actual front angle job. When the new electrode wheel is replaced, click and start the electrode measurement. The system will automatically find the turning tool for measurement. When the measurement is completed, click on the reconditioning to start. The number of turning times will be calculated automatically and turning will start, which can realize turning in front and back of X-axis at the same time, or select V1 or V2 separately. The system will automatically calculate the tooth pitch according to the diameter size of the saw blade on the tooth setting interface, and the U and V axes will automatically move to the 0 point of the first tooth, which can be set manually or automatically and continuously after the saw blade is installed. Set the basic machining electrical parameters according to the material and the machining requirements of the PCD. Press the execution button. The machining process of rough, medium, and finish machining will be executed automatically according to the machining allowance, and the system will automatically turn according to the turning interval and compensate until all the teeth are machined.
Looking forward to your consultation.